Welcome to Bike Pro, your trusted channel for honest and practical motorcycle reviews. Today, we're taking a detailed look at the 2026 Hero HF Deluxe, one of the most popular and reliable commuter motorcycles in the entry-level segment. Known for its affordability, excellent fuel efficiency, and low maintenance costs, the HF Deluxe has been a go-to choice for daily riders for years. With the 2026 update, Hero continues to focus on practicality while making subtle improvements to keep the bike relevant for modern commuting needs. Design and styling. The 2026 Hero HF Deluxe features a simple yet refined design that prioritizes function over flash. The fuel tank has clean lines with modest graphics that give the bike a fresh and neat appearance. Updated color options for 2026 add a touch of modern appeal while keeping the overall look understated. The headlamp design is practical, and the tail section remains compact and functional. Overall, the HF Deluxe maintains a no-nonsense style that appeals to riders looking for a dependable and straightforward motorcycle. Engine and performance. Powering the 2026 HF Deluxe is a 97.2 cubic centimeters single-cylinder, air-cooled engine designed for efficiency and durability. The engine delivers smooth and predictable performance, making it ideal for daily city commuting. Throttle response is gentle and easy to control, which helps new riders feel confident on the road. The 4-speed gearbox is tuned for relaxed riding and smooth power delivery, ensuring a stress-free experience in stop-and-go traffic. While performance is modest, it perfectly suits the bike's purpose as a practical commuter. Ride quality and handling. The Hero HF Deluxe offers a comfortable and stable ride for everyday use. Its lightweight chassis makes it easy to maneuver through congested streets, narrow lanes, and crowded parking areas. The suspension is set up to absorb bumps and uneven road surfaces effectively, providing a smooth ride even on rough city roads. Handling is neutral and forgiving, making the bike suitable for riders of all experience levels. Comfort and ergonomics. Comfort is a key strength of the HF Deluxe. The upright riding posture reduces strain on the back and shoulders, making longer rides more comfortable. The seat is well cushioned and offers decent support for both rider and pillion. Handlebar and foot peg placement feel natural, allowing riders to stay relaxed during daily commutes or extended periods in traffic. Pillion comfort is also adequate, which adds to the bike's practicality. Features and technology. The 2026 Hero HF Deluxe focuses on essential features rather than advanced technology. The instrument cluster is simple and easy to read, displaying key information clearly. Hero has ensured that all controls are straightforward and user-friendly. The bike's build quality feels solid and durable, reinforcing its reputation as a dependable everyday motorcycle. Fuel efficiency and ownership. Fuel efficiency is one of the biggest reasons riders choose the HF Deluxe. The engine is engineered to deliver excellent mileage, helping keep fuel costs extremely low. Combined with Hero's wide service network and affordable maintenance, ownership of the HF Deluxe is hassle-free and budget-friendly. Spare parts are easily available, making it a practical long-term choice. Final verdict. The 2026 Hero HF Deluxe remains a smart and sensible option for riders who prioritize reliability, fuel efficiency, and low ownership costs. It may not offer flashy features or high performance, but it excels at what it's designed for: dependable daily commuting. For first-time buyers, students, and budget-conscious riders, the HF Deluxe continues to be a strong and trusted choice. Stay tuned to Bike Pro for more honest motorcycle reviews and updates.